This is a brief tutorial on how to convert from rectangular to polar coordinates and vice versa using the TI-30Xa model calculator. The TI calculators have some variations on how to do this, so this is just for this particular model of the TI calculator. So first we'll convert 5I minus 3J to polar coordinates. So on this model, what we want to do, first put in your I coordinate, 5. After we put in the I coordinate, we always want to press the plus button, even though that is subtraction, or the negative coordinate. We want to press the plus button. Then put in your I coordinate, your J coordinate, which is -3. Then we're going to hit second and the rectangular to polar button. You need to go to the second function and then hit the rectangular to polar button. When we do that, the first thing it gives us, you can see a small R up there in the corner, gives you your radius. So 5 and 83/100 is our radius. Then, to get the angle of your polar coordinate, you want to hit the second button again, and then the X to Y and Y to X button. So second, X to Y, and that gives you the angle. Now they give it to you as -30 and 96/100 approximately. Some classrooms, some teachers will be okay with that. In our classroom, I know we always want the positive angle. So if your teacher's okay with that, stick that in as your angle. If you need the positive form of that angle, and this calculator will always give you the negative angle for angles between the negative value for angles between 180 and 360. But if you need the positive, add 360 to this. And that gives us 329 and 400 as your angle. 329 and 400 degrees. So put in your I coordinate plus your J coordinate. Second, rectangular to polar. The radius will show up first, and then in second, X to Y to get your angle. Okay, for converting from polar to rectangular, very similar process. First, you always want to put in your radius. So here we're converting 10 at 140 degrees to rectangular, so we're going to put in 10 first. Then, just like with the rectangular coordinates, you always want to hit plus, and then put in the angle. So 140 degrees. We're going to hit the second button again, and then this time polar to rectangular button. That gives you first your X coordinate. Again, you can see X up there in the top right coordinate. And depending on how you express your rectangular coordinates, the X coordinate over what we would call in here the I coordinate, -7 and 66/100 I. To get your J coordinate, same as with rectangular, we're going to hit second and then the X to Y button. And that gives you 6 and 43/100 for your Y or J coordinate. So going from polar to rectangular, radius plus angle, second, polar to rectangular. That gives you first the I coordinate, then second x to y to get to j coordinate.